Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by minimizing variables. Unplug USBs, external disks, and peripherals. Keep only keyboard and mouse. Once booted into the recovery environment via Shift plus Restart or an installation USB, choose Automatic Repair to let Windows attempt fixes. If that fails, open Command Prompt and record the blue screen stop code and any file names shown. This tells you whether it's driver, disk, or memory related. Make sure to note exact text. It guides the next targeted actions. Once you have the stop code, run chkdskc/f/r from command prompt to repair disk errors and attempt sector recovery. This can resolve many blue screens caused by I/O faults. Next, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. If drivers are suspect, boot into safe mode and uninstall the recent driver or use system, restore to roll back to a known good state. These steps isolate hardware versus software. If repairs fail, choose Reset this PC. Try Keep My Files first. If instability persists, perform a full reinstall. Once Windows is stable, update BIOS/UEFI and device drivers to prevent recurrence, and reattach peripherals one at a time to confirm the culprit. If the blue screen remains persistent, test RAM with memtest86 and inspect SATA or power cables. Bad memory or loose cables often mimic software crashes. If you hit a blocker, note the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.